Today, we're diving into the invisible engine that powers our digital world, the operating system.
So let's start with a big question. How does software actually talk to all that hardware?
Here's what we'll cover. We'll look at the OS as an intermediary, its main purposes, and how it all works. All right, first up, let's define the role of the OS inside your computer's architecture. You can think of the OS as a translator, letting your software and hardware speak the same language. As you can see here, the OS sits right in the middle, managing all the interactions. Okay, so why is this role so important? Let's break down its 5 core purposes.
These purposes cover everything from hiding complexity to making sure the whole system is secure and stable.
And out of all of these, security is a huge one. The OS has to protect your data.
So how does an OS pull all this off? Well, it's through a set of core functionalities. This diagram breaks down the 6 core jobs that every modern operating system has to juggle. Now let's look at each of these functions, but specifically with security in mind. First, process management. The OS controls how every single application and task gets to run.
And for security, it isolates these processes so one bad app can't crash your whole computer.
Next, memory management. The OS has to carefully dish out memory to all the running programs. This is a big deal for security because memory is a prime target for attackers. The OS also gives us that file and folder structure we use every day to stay organized. Its security job here is to enforce permissions, to keep people out of sensitive files. And finally, device management. The OS handles talking to all your hardware, like printers and drives. Here, secure device drivers are key to stopping attacks right at that hardware-software connection. So to sum up, the OS is that invisible but absolutely essential foundation for everything we do. Which leaves us with a big question. As threats evolve, how must an OS's security adapt?
If you found this explanation valuable, please like, share, and subscribe.